The NHS admits it's been under unprecedented pressure recently, but what toll has that taken on staff? Figures obtained by the BBC reveal nearly 5,000 people took time off work because of stress in 2014, an increase of 56% over 5 years. Beth, not her real name, is a nurse working for Worcestershire Acute. The trust hit the headlines recently after 5 consultants resigned en masse, saying the stress had been unbearable. Beth took time off when the pressure got too much. She blames a target-driven culture and has asked us to protect her identity.
I think I got to the point where I felt that I wanted to break a leg or have some sort of illness so I didn't have to go to work, or had an excuse not to go to work. And I think that's the point I realised. I had to do something about it.
The trust with the highest absences due to stress was the Heart of England Foundation Trust in Birmingham. It saw 602 people off work last year at a cost of more than £2.2 million. We did ask the Heart of England Foundation Trust for an interview about these figures, but they said they didn't have anyone available. In fact, all of the trusts we approached said exactly the same thing. The figures show more than 150,000 days were lost last year due to staff being off work with stress, with one member of staff in South Warwickshire even being signed off for 2 years. The Royal College of Nursing says it's worried it could put people off joining the profession.
We're not seeing a dropping off in the number of people who want to be nurses. But clearly, if the risk of burnout and pressure is so great as these figures show, then that's going to be a worry in the long term for everybody.
Accept entirely the data that you found. I do think a large part of it is that people are more comfortable within the workplace talking about particularly mental health issues. But you're absolutely also right, and the NHS takes very seriously the steps it needs to take to support staff.
But with demands on the NHS still growing, reducing the pressure on staff won't be easy. Alistair Binney, BBC Midlands Today.